Hello everybody, this is Mrs Gilbert. Welcome to Maths for Monday the 11th of January, and the short date today should be 11/1/21, and today, by the end of today, you should be able to add numbers to 20 by first making 10. So it's it is what you were doing on Friday, but with one extra difference. So I'll tell you about that when we get to it. Now you have to bear with me a little bit today. This is my 8th attempt at making this video. It seems like the world wants to come into my kitchen, and then just when I thought I'd done it, I realised I hadn't pressed record. So I'm a little bit fed up. Let's have a go. It's tricky as well with one hand. Right. You will recognise this tens frame here, two tens frames with some coloured dots in. So ignore that one at the top, that's where I dotted my pen by accident. Can you tell the person you're with or someone sitting next to you, if you are at school, what's happening in this tens frame? That's right, we've got some red dots. How many? And we've got some green dots. How many green dots? Okay, so we're going to write a number sentence about the red dots and the green dots in the tens frame. So, how many red dots were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you get that? Yeah, so I'm going to put 7 on my board. Add. How many green dots did you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get 8? Right, so we're going to work out what they are all together by counting 10 and the rest. I'm not going to count up from 1, we're going to count 10 and the rest. Now if you look at the rest at the bottom, we'll start at 10 and count those. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 add 8 equals 15. I'm going to write that now. That was the work that you did on Friday, so hopefully you should be quite good at that. Now, what we're going to do today to make it different is show me on a number track. Okay, so you're going to show me on a number track. Now, normally on number tracks we start at 0. This one hasn't even got 0 on, which is not very good. And we count up. Today we're going to start at 10 and count the rest. So it's a little bit different. So let's go back to our tens frame. The rest, so we've got 10 there. The rest underneath were how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to start at 10 on our number track and we're going to jump on 5 more. Remember, you do not count the number you're on. So start at 10, we're going to jump on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number we landed on is 15. Now, does that match our number sentence answer from counting our tens frame? Yes, it does, so we must be correct. So what we've done today is jump on from 10 and just jumped on the rest. So 10 and the rest. Okay, 10 and the rest. Right, let's have a look then at one together, and then hopefully you'll be able to do some of your own. So here I've got 2 blank tens frames and a number sentence. What am I going to do first? What am I going to do first? That's right, I'm going to fill in the tens frame with 8 dots because 8 is my first number in the number sentence. So let's do that. I'm going to use green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then I'm going to change colour or do crosses if you want to. And I'm going to look at the second number, which is 5, and colour in 5 in a different colour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you can see I've got 10 filled in and the rest. How many is the rest today? 1, 2, 3. The rest and this one is 3. So I'm going to start at 10 and count up 3 more. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 add 5 equals 13. Now I'm going to put that on my number track. Let's rub off this number. Don't sorry about that. Remember, I'm going to start at 10 and I'm going to count on, jump on the rest, which is 1, 2, 3 more. So here we go. There's 10 on my number track. I'm going to jump on 3 more. You ready? Don't count the number you're on. 1, 2, 3. I've landed on 13. Is that the same answer? Yeah. 8 add 5 equals 13. So all I've done is used the number track to show 10 and the rest. Okay, 10 and the rest. 10 and 3 more. 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, do you think you can have a go at that? Now, on Dojo, I've put on a sheet, and on that sheet has got some blank tens frames, some number sentences for you to solve, and next to each one, a number track for you to jump on. Now remember, when we used number tracks before, we started at maybe 8 and jumped on 5. We're not doing that today. We're going to solve the tens frame first, put the numbers in the tens frame first, and then we're going to show on a number line 10 and the rest. So you're going to start at 10 on your number line and jump on 1, 2, 3 more. In this case, whatever you've got on your tens frame in the bottom one is the rest, and that's the number you're going to jump on, just like we did there. So you're not starting at your first number, you're starting at 10. Okay, have a go at that. It's quite tricky, it's a bit different to what we've been doing before. Have a go and show your teacher how clever you are. Now, if you want a tricky challenge today, it's more of a talking challenge. Are you ready? I'm going to move my board. Ooh, I can't do it with one hand. You ready? Ta-da! It's a talking challenge today. Okay, let's have a look at it. It says, challenge, lots of question marks around. You can see I've got a number bond to 10 there. My number bond to 10 is 2 plus 8 equals 10. 2 add 8 equals 10. You know that, don't you? Because you know your number bonds to 10. So 2 add 8 equals 10. Now your talking challenge today, I want you to tell me if this, what I'm about to say, is true or false. Is it right or is it wrong? Are you ready? To make a number bond to 20, I make a number bond to 10 first and then add 10 to each of my ones. Is that true or is that false? Why? How do you know? Okay, I'll say it again. To make a number bond to 20, I make a number bond to 10 first, and then I add 10 to each of my ones. Is that true or is that false? Is that right or is it wrong? How do you know? Okay, I'm going to go now. I think I've cracked it this time. So show your teacher your work, show them what clever mathematicians you are, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.